Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a flight reservation online without paying. People may create dummy flight tickets for various reasons, and one of the most common reasons is visa application. When applying for a visa to visit a country, some immigration authorities require proof of onward travel as part of the application process. Creating a dummy flight ticket can fulfill this requirement without having to purchase an actual ticket. Once the visa is approved, the traveler can then book their real flight. So let's now talk about how we can fulfill this. So first, let's go to any airline website. So for example, I'm going to be using Qatar Airways here. So let's create a one-way ticket from Manila to Greece, for example. Then let's just choose a departure date. Then the number of passengers and flight class. Then confirm. Now let's choose a ticket. Let's say this one. Click on it. Then click on select fare. Then confirm. Just fill out the passenger details form, then click on save and continue. After that, click on continue to contact details. Then enter your mobile number and email address. Now let's just choose seats and add-ons. Click continue. Continue as guest. Let's just quickly choose seats here. Once done, click on continue. Then here you don't actually have to choose any add-ons yet since it's just a dummy ticket. So let's just click on continue here. As you can see, we're now on the trip summary page. The next step is payment, but we don't have to proceed to that step. Instead, we're just gonna stay here, and the next thing that we need to do is to press Ctrl+P. Once this window appears, here at destination part, select save as PDF. Then pages, the first page is the only thing that we need here, so click on pages and select custom. Then just type 1 here. Then click on save. Then just choose any folder on your computer. I'm just gonna choose desktop here. Then click on save. And as you can see, we now have the PDF file, and there you have it. We have successfully made a dummy flight ticket. It's important to note that while creating dummy flight tickets may serve various purposes, it's crucial to understand the legal and ethical implications. Providing false information or using fake tickets for fraudulent purposes can lead to serious consequences, including legal penalties and travel restrictions. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.